Yeah, we'll get through it.
The students aren't really going anywhere.
That is so crappy. We can't even do our presentation because the cat bus isn't here.
We've been waiting to try and catch a real live cat bus, and it is nowhere to be found. And all these poor students are waiting for the cat bus.
It is not happening.
What do you think its natural habitat is? Like, where do you think we could find it?
I don't know, probably parked somewhere.
Parked at McDonald's.
Probably.
Because this is recording. Pick up some people. So what's your name?
My name is Dana.
Okay, and do you use the cat bus often?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you use it in the mornings? Always, yeah.
Yes.
Do you think you have to get here extra early just to get it?
Yeah, I get here about 30 minutes earlier than
Just to get
last
it?
year.
Do you think you could walk there faster?
Yes, probably.
Okay, so what's your name?
John.
John, would you still use the cat bus if you had to pay $1, maybe even for a round trip ticket to Walmart or places farther on the cat bus?
Yes, I would.
You would? Okay, thank you very much. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Whitney. I live at the Woodlands and I ride the cat bus to come to class. I don't have a parking permit, so I have to ride the bus.
And what do you think of the cat bus overall?
Overall, I think it's good, but leaving to go back towards Central, a lot of times I've waited for 2 hours before I can get on a bus because it's been so crowded or out of service.
Is out of service.
And it's full.
Oh, bye cat bus. Nope, that's just a stop sign he's stopping for. Bye cat bus.
And you end up standing out in the heat or the cold and you just wait, basically.
So you're enjoying standing in the freezing cold right now?
It's a little chilly.
It's very cold. So you look at a schedule and you find out what time the bus is supposed to show up, and then sometimes the route just won't be available for you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you think that using the cat bus is user friendly, or do you think that it's kind of complicated for people maybe that have never used it before?
Still, people get confused. I took the wrong bus. The stops aren't always marked of which way you can go to Clemson or to Central. I've gotten on the wrong bus before when I first started using it.
What's the longest you've ever waited for a bus to come and take you where you need to be?
Probably an hour and a half. It's close to 2 hours, just because it's been so full that you can't get on the bus when you need to.
Thank you. Hi everyone, we have Scott here. He's a junior and he uses the cat bus regularly, and so we're going to ask him a couple questions about it and see what he has to say about the cat bus. So how often do you use the cat bus?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
And where do you need it to, do you need to go on campus, off campus? Where do you need to go?
On campus.
Okay. So you park your car?
Yeah, behind the stadium and then try and get somewhere around here.
Okay. And does it come when it says it's supposed to come?
No.
And it's supposed to come every 12 minutes is what we read. Does it really do that?
Not close. And it's usually full in the morning, so you gotta get here about like 30 minutes early at least. So.
Okay, so so you have to leave your house earlier just to be able to get to class on time,
Yeah.
just to be able to ride the bus.
Yeah.
Do you think it's quicker walking or taking the cat bus?
I've actually been a couple times on foot.
So what time is the bus supposed to be here today?
No, it's supposed to be here like a few minutes ago.
Okay, so it's supposed to be here a few minutes ago and it is 4:51 right now.
And it's going to come on the half hours? What time
No,
is it?
that's
Is it?
It's after 5, so it's supposed to
Okay.
come every 12 minutes.
Every 12 minutes.
So it should have been here by now.
So it should have been here by now.
Okay.
Thank you, Scott.
Alright, don't worry.
Oh, and there's our friend Scott leaving. He just couldn't wait for the bus. He had a meeting in the library.
about to take the CAP bus from my apartment at Lightsea Bridge to Harco. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to walk, so we'll see how the time compares. According to my clock, it is 11:43. The journey starts now. Stopped at Hendrix, and here's yet another stop. And then we're gonna go up to the library circle and stop there again. Here we are at the library making another stop. And this is the intersection where the CAP bus I was in hit a car yesterday. Luckily, no car here today. And here we are at a parking lot. There's a nice group of people wanting to get on the bus. Well, I just got to the Union, and according to my clock, it is 12:10. It has been 27 minutes since I left my apartment, a trip that usually takes 20 minutes on foot. Looks like I should have walked.